Hi guys, in this video we're going to see partial match with the ending words with specific letters. So in the previous video we saw the partial match with the beginning letters, but in this video we're going to see the ending words or ending letters. So first we're going to check with XLOOKUP, and then obviously we're going to check with filter. So we're going to see what's the difference. We saw the same differences in the last video as well. So first I'm going to write the XLOOKUP formula. So now here what I'm looking here is all the words which are ending with Jews. I'm going to get the numbers for those words. Let's say if it is a drink, then I don't want it. If it's a juice, then I want their numbers. Now, as I told you earlier, while writing the partial match, we do not write the cell reference. Instead, we write the word. So here, I'm going to ask XLOOKUP to include juice, which means it's the end of the sentence or end of the word. Here, like in this cell, there are two words. One is apple and juice. So I'm telling to the XLOOKUP by adding asterisk to choose this last word, right? And then I'm going to put a comma, and then I'm going to select the range where it should be looking for, and the result range. What if there is no value found? Then I'm going to write NA. And then match mode is 2 for partial match. So I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, I got XLOOKUP value as 50 because XLOOKUP only brings the first match. So that's the reason I'm getting only 50 here. So if you want all the results, whatever contains Jews as the ending word, then you must use the filter function. So now we're going to write the filter formula, and then I'm going to write the range, which is this, right? And then I'm going to write the regex match function to get the juice word, and then I'm going to select the range where it should be looking for, comma. Now I'm going to write the quotes. So here what I'm telling is start looking for the word which includes, which means asterisk, juice, the word, and then the dollar symbol, which means stop with this word. I'm going to enter the parenthesis. I'm going to hit the enter. Now we can see the results are, pulled out as a 50, 30, 80. You can see apple juice, mango juice, and pineapple juice. The results are 50, 30, 80. So this is how you can extract the numbers from your dump. So basically, if it has a juice word and then you want to extract all of them, then they are both the formula. So if you want just one result, use XLOOKUP. If you want all the results, use filter. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.